Okay guys, sometimes it's just a matter of guessing what you need to fix. So the next thing I'm going to try is this coil pack. Sometimes if a coil pack is totally bad, then it can cause running issues. So to remove that, we need to remove these 3 7mm bolts, 1, 2, and then 3 over here. Just make sure we put these plugs back in the same order. Alright, so we've got the old coil pack off. Now, you can tell sometimes if a coil pack is going bad. If you can look at this material. This is a like a resin, and sometimes, not all the time, you can see tiny little hairline cracks through the material, and that could cause a jump to ground. So I don't actually see any here. Sometimes you can see them along the tops of the plugs as well. So sometimes you can't. So let's hope this works. Wow, inside that feels great. All right, that fixed it. Totally smoothed out, so coil pack was bad.